Hello, everyone. Welcome back with the last puzzle. In this puzzle page of Saturday, October the 28th, 2023. I've already solved three puzzles: the Sudoku with 3 stars, the killer Sudoku, and the binary Sudoku. So one puzzle is left. Tectonic number 7351. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. 16. Wow. Should be an easy one. 16. Because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. I think this one should be a 1-star. Yeah. For 1-star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 1-star puzzle. Alright. First question to you. Can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, single box. Here. Wow. 5 single boxes. Single box is always a 1. Here, and there. Never seen a Tectonic or Jigsaw Sudokus with a lot of single boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Next question. Do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes here. Triple boxes then. I see here triple box, there triple box. Triple boxes contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box can be a 2, so the 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Here. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box level 3 should be there. So the 1 and the 2 are left. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Okay. More triple boxes? No. Quadra boxes then. Do we have here quadra boxes? No quadra boxes in this puzzle. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures, or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Here, another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Here, another one is connected with that box. And so it should be here 1 or a 2, but it can be a 1 because we have a 1 here. So this box should be a 2. Is connected with that box should be also a 2. 1 box left in this triple box for number 1. Okay. We have more. Here, another 1. Yeah. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Then, I believe the final shape. Yeah, this one. This Tectonic Jigsaw Sudoku have 2 shapes that you need to recognize. Well, the next one is this one. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here only 2 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it, that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 2 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. All right. Let me see. These three boxes surround one can be a 1. These three boxes surround one can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. Then these two boxes can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Alright, these two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. These two boxes can be 3. These two boxes can be a 4. So 3 and a 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area from us 1. And the 5, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area from us 2. And the 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 3. Those two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be here. These two boxes surround 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. Well. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Then I think this box should be a 1. Because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Let me mark those. Then. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, these two boxes can be 4, and that box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well. These two boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area from numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Then, let me think. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 here. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So not the solution, place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. Alright. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. This box can be a 5, so the 5 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. I have a double 5 here. That means that this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. Alright. These 3 boxes, 1 and 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. This box can be 1, this box can be 3. So 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Then. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Wow. 3, Come on, come on, come on, come on. This is taking too long. Well. 5, 5. How about here? The 2 and the 5. Yeah. This box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 3 anymore. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I can fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So this box can be 3 and those two boxes can be a 3. So one box level 3 in this area should be there and is connected with that box should be also a 3. Two numbers left in this area for us. 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. Well, I cannot place the 4 here because I need a 4 in one of these 3 boxes. If I place 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 3 boxes. So this box should be a 2. That box should be a 4. Then this box can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. So the 1, the 3, and the 4 are missing. Okay. Well. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2 is connected with that box. Should be also 2, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box level 2 in this area. Should be here, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then. Well. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. No 1 goes there. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And 4 goes there. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. Well. We have a 5 there. So this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for the number 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 3 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 supposed to be here, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 is left in this area for number 4. Finished in 12 minutes. Wow, told you. Need to be faster than 50 minutes, and we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again tomorrow in the additional of the Sunday. Yes, until then, bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Saturday. Bye bye.